everyone! Hope you're doing well for today. And sa araw na ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano namin prepare yung pinakamasarap na banana cake na natikman ko by far. And yep, let's do it in just 2 minutes. Okay? So, tara! So guys, let's start with the basic ingredients. We have here the white and the brown sugar. We have flour, baking soda, peanut butter, baking powder. We have salt, banana, at saka yung Nutella. Okay? So, first yung unang gagawin natin is kukuha tayo ng container at ihahalo muna natin yung ating flour, yung salt, yung baking powder, at saka yung baking soda. At saka i-mix lang natin lahat. Alright? And then, after that, is i-mix na natin, i-mash muna natin yung ating 3 pieces of banana. And once ready na, is ilagay na natin yung ating brown at saka white sugar. And then i-mix ulit. Okay? And then once ready, is ilagay na din yung ating peanut butter. And then i-mix ulit. And then afterwards, is ilagay na natin yung ating itlog at saka yung oil. And then mix ulit for just 1 minute. Alright? After that is ready na siya para i-mix lahat yung ating ingredients sa isang mixing bowl. And continue lang yung pag-mix natin, mga maximum of 2 to 3 minutes. Okay? And once ready na siya is kukuha lang tayo ng ating baking pan at lagyan ng oil bawat gilid at saka yung base para hindi didikit yung banana cake. Okay? And for the first layer is ilalagay lang natin yung ating mixture at saka lagyan ng Nutella sa top. And do it again for the second layer. Okay, so if you want more Nutella, you can do that one as well. Because I think is may isasarap pa siya kung maraming Nutella yung ilalagay natin. Alright? So, by the way guys, for the exact measurement of the ingredients that I used, please see the descriptions below this video kasi ilalagay ko lahat yung mga ginamit ko na ingredients. Alright? So, once ready na yung second layer natin, is pwede na natin siyang i-bake. So, it will take mga 40 to 45 minutes guys para ready na siyang kainin. Guys, I really hope that you enjoy this video, and also I hope that you will try this one on your own because really promise napakasarap po. Okay, so I hope you're already subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't done yet, please do so by just clicking the red button below. Okay, so thank you and bye!